In this video, I'll walk you through how to make your RedNote account private in a few quick and easy steps. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the process is almost identical, so you can follow along regardless of your platform. First, open the RedNote app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to access your app settings. There are two ways to do this. Look for the gear icon on the right-hand side of the screen, just next to the Edit Profile button. If you don't see the gear icon, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From there, find and select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate the Privacy Settings option, which should have a lock icon next to it. Tap on that to access a range of privacy customization options. Instead of a private account option like on TikTok or Instagram, RedNote uses something called Protection Mode. This will be the first option on the page. To make your RedNote account private, simply toggle the switch next to Protection Mode to turn it on. And that's it, your RedNote account is now private. If you have any questions about this process or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.